To be honest, I hadn't even seen a bread maker since the late 1990s. So when I bought this Nerevta bread machine on a whim, I was really hoping bread makers had gotten better in the last 3 decades and I wouldn't get those tall, skinny loaves with a texture and taste resembling cardboard. And gratefully, I didn't. Stick around and I'll show you what makes this machine totally different and the one thing that almost made me return it. This is the Nerevta Bread Making Machine. It makes loaves up to 3.3 pounds. But what I really love about it is that the loaf actually looks like a real loaf of bread. Not tall, not weird, just bread. Beautiful, crusty, golden bread. Bread that is completely usable for everything from sandwiches to dinner time. And it's as easy as 1, add your ingredients, wet first, then dry. 2, choose your loaf color, light, medium, or dark. 3, pick your loaf size, 1,000 grams, 1,250 or 1,500. That's between 2.2 and 3.3 pounds. And 4, select your program, and you're done. That's it. About 5 minutes of effort for a loaf that tastes better than anything from the store, without all the junk that comes from a mass-produced loaf with so many preservatives it doesn't get moldy for a month. There are 14 presets, including basic, French, whole wheat, sweet, gluten-free, dough, jam, yogurt, and cake. And there's even a homemade setting where you can customize every single stage. Knead, rest, rise, bake, you control it all. The texture is amazing, with a soft or crusty outside, depending on preference, and a soft and springy inside. And again, it looks like a real loaf, not a bread tower. I love that I can walk away and have fresh bread in a few hours with literally no effort. Now, here was the downside for me. I've been making sourdough for the past year or so, and I had high hopes that this might give me a completely fuss-free sourdough. And yes, there is a recipe for sourdough in the book that comes with the bread maker, but it uses yeast, so that's a bummer. But I found a good workaround. I use the dough setting to mix and do my stretch and folds. Then I take it out, let it bulk ferment, do a cold ferment, and bake it in the oven. It still saves me most of the time and energy, and the results are beautiful. So yeah, I was a little bummed that the sourdough function could only do fake sourdough, and I almost returned it. But after using it for a few weeks, I'm glad I didn't. This is the first bread maker I've used that actually makes bread I'm proud to serve. Real shape, real crust, real flavor. If you love home gadgets that save you time, hit that subscribe button for more reviews and comparisons.